Spellbook is one of the #1 tools in the world for AI contract review and drafting. We launched in 2022. We have 4,000 customers, both on the in-house and law firm side of the spectrum, and we're in over 80 countries. I'm Scott Stevenson, co-founder and CEO at Spellbook. What we are focused on is on making contracts move at the speed of commerce, making it easier to redline them, easier to draft them so that lawyers and everyone who touches contracts can spend less time on that drudgery so that they can spend more time on face-to-face negotiation, on strategy, and high-value legal work. Today we announced some of the integration of market data into what we're building at Spellbook, and we've been getting a lot of amazing feedback on that from customers wanting AI for contracts that is more grounded in kind of real market data. So we've just had an enormous amount of interesting feedback on what we're doing in that functionality. Also, I think in-house day-to-day, just seeing the hunger from the in-house team and how quickly they're adopting this technology has been really great to see. We want feedback on what we're building. We want to see what everyone else is building. We want to see how law firms and in-house teams are using AI to better their practice. One of my favorite events that I've been to, you really get a good sense of where things are going here at this event. At some of the larger events, it's not quite as curated, can feel a little bit more lagging. Here it really feels like on the bleeding edge.